Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the hero or villain filter trend on TikTok. So for this, if you are looking for the effect here in TikTok, you will not get the effect here because this effect is from a different app called Prequel. To get this app, go to App Store. I have already installed it, so let's open it. Okay, so when you open this app, on the first row you will see this cartoon filters. Okay, choose one of them. Okay, let me go with this new one, comic. Okay, tap on use preset. Browse one picture from your camera roll. Let me go with this one. Wait for it. Okay, now download this picture. Okay, you have to do like this few times. Take some pictures and save it to your camera roll. Then go to TikTok. Okay, we need to use one filter here, green screen. Tap on it. Browse the picture you just saved. For me, now it's just one. Okay, I don't need this, so let's move it from the screen. Okay, just record for some time. Hit the done button. I have added just one picture. You can add multiple picture, and once you are done, hit the next button and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this hero or villain filter trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.